Hey up YouTube, back at the at-home garden today with a big innocuous box in front of me. You can probably see what's in some of it. Today, to be open and honest up front, is a review of a product that was given me free of charge for purpose of review. If you want to see what it is, I'll see you in a sec. Today, I reached out to Garantia. Well, not today. I didn't reach out to them today. I reached out to Garantia to see if they'd be interested in collaborating on some videos. And they said yes. So they've sent me, for purpose of review, in a very large box, and I'll get to that in a minute. They sent to me for purpose of review one of their urban, what do they call it? Urban balcony raised beds. Alright, and the corresponding cloche. So we're going to pop it together and have a look at the quality and discuss our options. So this is how it comes. Now this is the raised bed, and I'll have to get some clarity from Garantia, but looking on their website, it's my understanding that the bed and the cloche are separate items. But I'll get some clarity from Garantia and I'll make sure that I put it along here. So looking at it, very, very sturdy. Very sturdy indeed. Once again, looking at it, and from what I've read on the website, I don't know if these will show up on camera. We'll get to these in a minute, but in here, I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. There's some pre-marked drill holes for drainage. And there is a lot of other sort of hiddenish features. So let's get it put together. It should be an easy snap and click. So that's the container itself. This metal rib is just that, it's a rib. And it should just, there go the feet. Let's put the legs on, eh? So the legs, you see in the bottom here, preformed holes. Snap in, simple as that. That's it. Nice, simple, easy construction. Nice and sturdy. It is very, very sturdy. It's a 48 litre capacity. Tells you all in here. Some stickers in here. Assembly instructions. Couldn't be simpler. Stick the legs in, stick the rib in. If you want, you can drill the drainage holes, which I will be doing. So I'm going to just nip and get my drill and we'll sort that out. We'll get it filled. We'll have a look. So let's have a look. Pre-marked drainage holes are here and here. Drilled out really nice and clean. It's as simple as that. Really is. I'm blown away by the sturdiness of it. I really, really am. Let's have a look with it. Let's have a look at the cloche. Now there is, yeah, that's what they're for. Some pre-marked holes on the base as well, if you wanted to put something in, like some hinges, so that you could hinge this if you wanted. Something I might actually do, but I'll probably just drill it and just put some tie wraps in it, some zip ties. It's all really sturdy. It's got lots of ventilation holes in the lid. However, I believe these in the corner here and these in the recess, the idea is if you wanted to, you could run some irrigation tubing through here. Also, you could also just pour your water into, I mean what I'm using as a handhold, but your handholds are actually down here. Pour some water into here and the holes will sort of rain it down on the crops below. Some couple of nice little features depending on what you set up for. As some of you know, I do have an irrigation system, so I may run a couple of drip lines into this. But the quality, the thickness of the plastic, the sturdiness, it's going to last years to come. Looked after, of course. It's going to last years to come. It's approximately 2.5 to 3 feet off the ground at this level. I'm 6'2", and it's up to my knees. So it's a good height. And what I'm using it for, now a lot of people are going to say, oh, that'd make an ideal herb bed in my back garden or on my balcony, and it would, you're right. And that's what sprung to my mind when I first saw this. But then I thought, you know what, I like to be a little different. You know I like to be a little different. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this filled up with some compost that I'm going to mix with a little bit of farmyard manure. I'm going to try and keep that to one side and just have plain compost on the other side. Because I'm going to try and grow a salad in here. I could do focus on cut and come agains, but I'm just going to try and grow a one-shot salad. Some little gems, some chantenay carrots, some radish. What else have we brought? Some of the red dragon, red onion seeds, the name's left me. Spring onion seeds. And I was interestingly challenged a little bit by one of the children to put a tomato plant or a cucumber plant in as well. It's certainly deep enough. It is certainly deep enough. But the problem I'm going to have, and this is my problem, is giving the tomato plant some support. But we're going to give it a go. We are going to give it a go. I'm going to put a tiny tim in there, which is a bushing type. So let's get it filled up. However, it just dawns on me, before I fill it up, I kind of want to decide on a location for it. Because moving this with full of compost, it's not going to be difficult, but it's pointless putting undue stress on it, on the plastic. Now you'll have to excuse the state of the back garden. It's a rented accommodation. We weren't going to be here for this year. This is a reduced peat compost from Erin. I've not used it before, so we'll see how it goes. And then finish it off with compost. I do like that, and I don't know whether Garantia have done this intentionally or not. I do like that they've gone with a sort of 48-50 litre design. So of course what that does mean is that a bag of compost will fill it in most cases. You'll see actually, the reason I'm going with doing this is, you'll see actually your compost level will drop, and it's as simple as that. Built, filled and good to go. We're going to leave it a week to plant it up, let it settle. And this is for two reasons. One, the weather's still really bad where I am, and we're due some freezing temps in the next few days. And whilst that won't kill off the seeds, it could reduce down their germination. So I'm going to leave it as it is, let it settle for a day or two, and we'll get it planted up in the week, and you'll see what I'm putting in it next week. Now for the exciting bit for you guys, stay tuned in us, give me a sec. So, at some point in this video there will have been a hashtag appear on the screen. I want you to comment down below what that hashtag is. I also would like you to go over to Garantia's YouTube page and subscribe. Full of product reviews and useful information and ideas. So I would like you to head on over to Garantia and subscribe. I would like it, although I'm not making it a condition, if you would subscribe to my channel and if you'd press that like button. Or if you don't like product endorsements, I will only endorse products I think are good. Garantia is a company, along with the likes of Stewart, that only deal in products that are quality, which is why I reached out to them. And I will only advise products that I think are good. And also, credit where it's due, the one thing I said to Garantia before they agreed to send me anything was, look guys, I only want you to send me something if you're going to be happy with me being honest and frank about how I feel about the product. You know what their reply was? That was our condition as well. Can't say fairer than that. They've not paid me for this endorsement. They have just sent me the product for the purpose of review. And as I've said many times throughout the video, it's a good looking product. It's a very well constructed product. It's made out of very good materials. The cloche, as I've said many times, is separate. However, the kit that they've sent me for giveaway is the base and a cloche. The value of this giveaway is £60, which I think is amazing. And I'm just going to shout at the missus because she stood watching me. Do you reckon we should boost this giveaway a little bit? Throw some extra in? Alright, I'm going to get you something else to throw in. Give me a sec. As a thank you to you guys for using the Amazon affiliate links in my videos, it's made me some income. But I always said the income made from the gardening channel was going to go into the gardening channel. So I bought one of these. It's not fancy, but it's a nice tablet. And that, after I've dropped it on the floor, is also going in the giveaway. Is that? Yeah, it's there. That's also going to go in the giveaway. So that's going to go in the box with the other the name's left me, with the other urban raised bed and cloche. So that is included in the giveaway. That's going to push the value of this giveaway to well over £100. I will also include some seeds. Don't know what they're going to be. but I'll reach out to Grow Seed and a couple of other people, see if they want to throw some seeds into the deal as well. Either way, there will be some seeds in the giveaway package as well. It's for no reason other than Garantia have asked me to do a giveaway, and as a thank you to you guys for helping to support the channel, I've got you the Kindle Fire to go in the giveaway as well. So as I've said, somewhere over the course of the entire back of the video, there will have been a hashtag flash up on screen. I want you to comment that hashtag below. I want you to go and subscribe to Garantia's YouTube channel. That is in the description below. And I'd like you to subscribe and like this video. I'm dead chuffed with this. I'll see you later. One last thing before I forget. We're going to sow this. I know I've already mentioned it, but I'm going to mention it again. We're going to plant this up next week with salads, and we're going to do that with the kids because I think this is ideal for that purpose. And there's a lot more you can do with this than just a balcony herb garden. Whilst that is an excellent idea, there are so many other things that you can do with this. So stay tuned. There'll be a couple more videos with this in where we're going to plant it up, and then we're going to look at its progress and keep going as it grows. There will be an ongoing review, and I'll tell you what I like and what I don't like. I'll see you later.